Maxwell's equations. There are four Maxwell's equations. Maxwell's equation 1 to 4. Here I am first discussing about Maxwell's equation 1. Maxwell's equation 1 is based on Ampere's circuital law. We know that Ampere's circuital law is based on magnetic field intensity vector. Closed line integral of h dot dl is equal to I enclosed. This is a case when we are considering only about the conduction current. But we know that for time varying fields, there will be conduction current plus displacement current. Where the conduction current IC is surface integral of j dot ds. J is the conduction current, which is sigma E, and displacement current is surface integral of jd dot ds. Jd is the displacement current density, which is dou d by dou t. J is equal to sigma E, where sigma is the conductivity, E is the electric field intensity, JD is the displacement current density, J is the conduction current density, D is the electric flux density vector. Combining these two, we can rewrite the Ampere circuital law as line integral of h dot dl is equal to surface integral of j plus jd dot ds. Or line integral of h dot dl is equal to surface integral of j plus dou d by dou t, because we know that jd is dou d by dou t dot ds. So this is Maxwell's integral form, Maxwell's first equation in integral form from Ampere's circuital law. This is Maxwell's first equation in integral form from Maxwell's first law. Applying Stokes theorem in this equation, surface integral of del cross h dot ds, because line integral of any vector is surface integral of del cross that vector dot ds according to Stokes theorem, equal to surface integral of right hand side is same j plus dou d by dou t dot ds. So we can get the differential form from Ampere's circuital law, that is del cross h is equal to j plus dou d by dou t. Differential form, del cross h is j plus dou d by dou t. This is Maxwell's equation in differential form from Ampere's circuital law, Maxwell's first law equation in differential form. This is Maxwell's first law equation in integral form. Next is Maxwell's equation 2. Maxwell's equation 2. Maxwell's equation 2 is based on Faraday's law. The EMF induced in a conductor is equal to the rate of change of flux if n equal to 1 minus of d phi by dt. Number of turns is 1, is minus of d phi by dt. We know that the potential is closed line integral of E dot dl is equal to minus of d by dt of, here phi represents magnetic flux linking with the circuit. So this flux can be represented as surface integral of V dot ds. Again this line integral of E dot dl is equal to minus of dou by dou t of B dot ds. So this is Maxwell's equation in integral form. Maxwell's second equation in integral form. So applying Stokes theorem for this equation, line integral of any vector is surface integral of that vector dot ds. So this equation I am rearranging to get the differential form of Maxwell's equation 2. So surface integral of del cross E dot ds is equal to minus of del cross E is equal to minus of dou by dou t of B. This Maxwell's equation 2 in differential form. Next is Maxwell's equation 3. Maxwell's equation 3 is based on Gauss's law, from which states that electric flux through any closed surface is equal to charge enclosed by the surface. So psi is equal to charge enclosed. So this psi can be treated as surface integral of d dot ds because it is electric flux, which is volume integral of rho v dv. Q is volume integral of rho v dv. So this is Maxwell's equation 3 in integral form. Applying divergence theorem here, any surface integral of vector dot ds is equal to volume integral of del dot d dv, which is right hand side is same, volume integral of rho v dv. So del dot d is equal to rho v, gives del dot d is equal to rho v. So del dot d is equal to rho v is the differential form of differential form of Maxwell's equation 3, and surface integral of d dot ds is equal to volume integral of rho v dv is the integral form of Maxwell's equation 3. And the last and final one is Maxwell's equation 4, which is also based on Gauss's law, but it's not based on Gauss's law for electric field, it is based on Gauss's law for magnetic field. So Maxwell's equation 4 is based on magnetic field, Gauss's law for magnetic field. According to magnetic field Gauss's law, the flux coming out of a closed surface is 0. This is magnetic flux, so I am representing like phi, and that is surface integral of B dot ds equal to 0. Phi is surface integral of B dot ds. So this is Maxwell's equation 4 integral form. And applying divergence theorem here, volume integral of del dot B dv is equal to 0, which gives del dot B equal to 0. So this is Maxwell's fourth equation in integral form. And Maxwell's fourth equation in differential form. So combining all the four, I am making a table based on Maxwell's four equations. First column, integral form. Second, differential form. Last column deals with the law behind each of the four laws. So from this, first law is Ampere's law. Ampere's law in integral form is closed line integral of h dot dl is equal to surface integral of j plus dou d by dou t dot ds. Differential form is del cross h is equal to j plus dou d by dou t. Second Maxwell's equation is based on Faraday's law. Faraday's law for differential form. In the case of integral form, closed line integral of E dot dl is equal to minus of surface integral of dou b by dou t dot ds. Differential form del cross E equal to minus of dou b by dou t. Third equation is Gauss's law for electric field. Surface integral of d dot ds is equal to volume integral of rho v dv. Differential form is del dot d is equal to rho v. Last and the final law is Gauss's law for magnetic circuit. Del dot b is equal to 0 is the differential form. Surface integral of b dot ds is equal to 0 is the integral form of Maxwell's equation. 4. So these are the Maxwell's equations in integral as well as differential form. First law is Ampere's law, second is Faraday's law, third is Gauss's law for electric field, and fourth law is Gauss's law for magnetic field. First law is first law differential form. Del cross h is equal to j plus dou d by dou t. Del cross e equal to minus of dou b by dou t. Del dot d equal to rho v and del dot b equal to 0. These are the Maxwell's equations in integral form. First is line integral of h dot dl is equal to surface integral of j plus dou d by dou t dot ds. Second one is line integral of E dot dl, closed line integral of E dot dl. First and second equation are having closed line integral of E dot dl is equal to surface integral minus surface integral of dou b by dou t dot ds. Third one, surface integral of d dot ds is volume integral of rho v dv. Last one, surface integral of b dot ds is equal to 0. And the same in the differential form, and the laws also we have to study. So 4 laws are Ampere's law, Faraday's law, Gauss's law in electric and magnetic circuit.